Very cool feature is the possibility to find points with the from command. Example, let's create a line. It doesn't matter exactly what we want. And I want to find a point 5 units horizontal way from this endpoint here. So going to line, if I go and write down from, base point is this one, and now is asking me for the offset, and I can say, for example, you remember the relative coordinates, the at sign, and I say 5 in x, 0 in y, and I got the point. Okay, let's find out if is 5 units or not, and here you have. So um, I've just mentioned 5 units in x, but as you see and as you understand, I could insert values for both x and y.